technical teaching by Soumen, and I'm back a new problem, like new video. So friend, the problem is WordPress related problem, and whenever I want to install a plugin in my WordPress section, then the error message is occurred that the plugin does not work with your version of PHP. It means the plugin that I want to install, it is not work of my PHP version. It is not work of my server PHP version. Basically friend, PHP means server side language, so that is language is right in my server side. So basically it can change on my server side or hosting site. Okay friends, so let's now how can solve this problem. So basically it PHP version may be lowest PHP version, so that why the plugin is not work, is the lowest PHP version, so it need be upgrade the PHP version from lowest to higher. So how can upgrade this PHP version and how to solve this problem? So please watch this video at least last, and after watching this video you want to be able to solve this problem. Okay friends, so let's start. So basically my hosting site is 000webhostapp.com. It's a fully free hosting site that's provided me. And basically when I need to upgrade the PHP version, basically it will be happened in my cPanel or control panel, but this hosting site don't provided me a control panel. Okay, this hosting site is not provided to me a cPanel. So how can upgrade this PHP version without a cPanel? So please watch the video at last and you will be able to solve this problem. Okay, and it's a its video will never see in YouTube. It's a first time video. You can upgrade this PHP version without any cPanel. Okay, so let's go. It's my website dashboard. 1 second, it's my website dashboard, and I am click on my website dashboard. Okay, just wait. Okay, it's my website dashboard, but this website is fully free allocated me, so there is never seen any cPanel, but there is provided me a dashboard section. It's enough. Okay, so whenever I scroll down, it's actually it will be upgraded on PHP configuration section, but this my fully free site, so it's not work in PHP configuration. So there is premium feature, so it need be upgrade to premium, then I will be able to PHP configuration from dashboard section. So but my site is fully free, so how can solve this problem? So please watch this video at last. So okay, so basically we need to go that website setting. Okay, and under website setting you need to go general and scroll down. There is a PHP version, and click change PHP version, and my PHP version is default selected 7.2. It's fully a lowest version, but PHP is upgraded is 7.4, so I need to upgrade this PHP version 7.4. It's enough. Okay, so I now I upgrade my PHP version 7.2 to 7.4. So now I am go to back my WordPress dashboard panel and then refresh, and now I want to install this plugin. Basically it will be installed because I changed my WordPress version. Wow friend, it's installed, and let's activate. Okay, so that's why I will see how can you upgrade a PHP version on your free hosting website 000webhost app without any cPanel. You will be able to upgrade your PHP version without any cPanel. Okay, This is a first video, let's see on YouTube, because the many video I see on YouTube, but there is only you upgrade your PHP version only for your cPanel, with your cPanel. But I show you video that's you will be able to upgrade your PHP version without cPanel. So please like and share my video. Thank you.